Okay, now, y'all, this video is long overdue. I've had this wig since October of last year. I just wanted to come and do a full in-depth, honest review on this hair from Yolissa Hair Company. I'm just gonna run these clips and come back and give you guys my final thoughts.
All right, so real quick, yes, I did order this wig back in October, but I actually received it the first week of November 7th, 2022 to be exact. I ordered a 26-inch large cap HD 5x5 closure wig. This is their water wave pattern. And yeah, I pretty much wanted to show you guys how the wig came. I did bleach and knots, pluck the hairline, and all of that before I decided to install the wig. I'm going to show you guys that clip really soon. Let's run that clip. Come on now. All right, so here's the clip where I actually install the unit. And I am using lace glue to install this wig. This is my first time using lace glue in over, I'm going to say, like 4 years on myself. I haven't had a glued down install in a while. So I just wanted to show you guys the lace itself. I did tint the lace with a little bit of Ruby Kisses foundation. And as you guys can see, I am using the pencil flat iron to curl the hairs and create to help create the baby hairs. So yeah, this is the initial install. I did use glue, guys. I know I'm a glueless girl, and I'm gonna emphasize that later on in the video on why I am a glueless type of girl. But I did initially install this wig for a trip that I was taking. And I just wanted to not worry too much about my hair and just have it installed as such. So yeah, I am going to link down below the glue that I used along with the spray that I used. Everything that I pretty much used in the initial install, I am going to have it linked down below for you guys to check out. And yeah, I'm cleaning up my part. I'm adding in my Afro G spray to give me that wet look. I think I was actually on my way to catch a flight in this clip. So yeah, I literally installed this wig right before flight. Yeah, so here I am in my airport outfit getting ready to go. So yeah, just checking my work, making sure that the install is how I would like it since I am headed out. But yeah, this is how it's looking.
So I'm actually gonna wear this hair a little while. I'm headed to Houston for the weekend. I'm going to come back next week since I actually like installed it using glue. I'm gonna come back next week and kind of update you guys on the hair, let you guys know pros, cons, and all that good stuff, as this is not a unit that I'll be taking off. It's actually installed. I went ahead and sewed the back of the wig down onto my braids. I did that off camera because I'm like in a rush and I just wanted to get the initial clips of this install so that I could come back in about a week or two and just update you guys. So definitely stay tuned.
Okay, so here we are 2 weeks later. This is how the wig is looking. Look at the hair. It's all matted and tangled up as I just neglected to take care of the hair. The install itself, I just neglected to take care of it. And you guys see how dry and brittle the ends are looking. Yeah, I did not keep up with this install at all. I just wore the elastic band, and as you guys can see, yeah, that that lace is all the way off at this point, and it's just so gunky and dirty. It is time to clean that lace. But before I wash off the gunk, the glue, or whatnot, I am going to add an adjustable elastic band into the wig just so that I don't have to glue the wig down for my glueless install. So here I am just adding the band into the unit. And I did this prior to me washing the wig or revamping it or anything of that sort. So yeah, I find where I want my band to go. I usually like it close to the edge of that closure because it gives the best lay. And yeah, I just sew it right on in like so. Now, what I'm going to use to get rid of that glue on the lace is Dawn. Dawn works like magic. Fill the sink up with some warm water, put that lace into the soapy water, and just watch how it just helps that that glue just break
and I like to use an old toothbrush just to help remove any excess glue that may linger around like so. And it literally just cleans the lace off so well. Now, once the lace is clean, it's time to tend to the hair on the wig. I'm using my Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Conditioner. I filled the tub up with some warm water just to get rid of all of that product buildup. Look at how dirty that water is. I'm using a wide tooth comb and I'm combing from the ends and I'm working my way up. Do not comb your curly, wavy wigs dry, okay? But I do want to show you guys the shedding that I received, and yeah, that's it. So a clip that I did not show you all was the clip of me cutting off the excess lace because the front of the wig, it started to bald a little bit. I did go in and cut off the excess lace. It kind of was no point in having that lace if there was no hair on it. And I'm learning how to ventilate, but I'm not quite savvy at putting the hairs back into the lace, so I did cut it off, and I tried to create some hairs on the side. What I should have done was go back in and pluck the hairline over. It would actually be more cohesive, I would say, if the hairline was plucked a little bit more. I've had this hair for 5 months. I went to Houston with this hair. I went to Mexico with this hair. I went to work with this hair. I did pretty much everything with this hair for the last 5 months. This is how full the wig still is after all this time. I did experience a lot of shedding and tangling, but that is to be expected when you're dealing with hair that has a curly pattern like this unit does. It does tangle more so in the nape area because of the length and the pattern. Again, it's going to kind of like bunch up a bit and just intertwine and tangle. So it's really important that you come up with a curly hair routine to kind of help combat daily tangles if you can. But yeah, that happened, and that was to be expected. Initially when I installed the wig, I did use lace glue. Yeah, that's not happening ever again. I like to be able to take off my units and put them on as I please. That's why I am a glueless girl. So I did show you guys how I revamped the wig to make it glueless, and yeah, I don't think I'll be doing glued installs on myself. I can't deal with it. It's just not my thing. I've tried it in the past. I don't know what made me want to try it again, but I did, and I just know for a fact it's not for me. It's not. Overall, I do like this wig. I feel like it's a good, decent quality wig. It does have its little issues such as tangles and shedding, but that is to be expected, especially with hair this pattern, this full, and this long. So definitely come up with a curly hair routine. Let me know if you all like more in-depth reviews rather than like install videos, because install videos are cool and all, but I feel like people want to know whether or not if the hair actually like lasts beyond the install and things like that. So yeah, I'll leave the link to this wig down below in the description so that you guys can check it out. And if there is any available coupon codes, it'll be down there in the description. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.